Looking to buy a new car and wondering if hire purchase is right for you? If you'd like fixed payments each month and to own your car outright at the end of the agreement, then hire purchase, or HP, may be the most suitable product for you. Here's how it works. First, find the new or used car you want. Then, decide how much deposit you want to pay. You can even trade in your current car towards your deposit. The deposit is subtracted from the price of the car, interest is added, and the balance divided over the agreed term. Your monthly payment remains fixed for the duration of your agreement, so you can budget your outgoings each month. You have the flexibility to choose the deposit and term that suits your budget. Once you have made all the monthly repayments, you own the car. Interested in hire purchase for your next car? Talk to your franchise dealer today.